I thought it would be good to do a little Monday recap on where we're at with things. This is for my purposes and anybody who wants to follow along. Last week we had this is Monday. Last Monday was Memorial Day. We had plumbers that came in on Tuesday and kind of marked everything out, gave us direction on where the concrete needed to be cut, and then the concrete cutters came on Wednesday and got all the concrete cut. On Thursday, I had our guys, who I rely heavily on, they're such hard workers, they came in and they broke up and lifted all of these squares of concrete that I will show you how intense it was. So much work. Then, after they got all of the concrete out, they had to shovel deep down into the ground to get to the existing plumbing lines that are there, which fully exposed our ductwork and how that has been run from 60 years ago, and it's all kind of impressive. We came away last Friday. When I walked out of here, we had almost all of the rooms framed up. We've got two more walls that our framer is working on today. Then he'll be cutting door openings and putting in pocket door systems, which I just went and got the framework for those. We'll be using the existing doors in this project because I like them, we have them, and I like repurposing what was already here as much as I can. So that's always going to be my method, and I just love doing that. So anyhow, that's where we're at. Robert is here today finishing the framework on our bedroom hallway, master bath wall, and then the opposite wall as you head into the guest area. So those are the two walls that are yet to complete, and I'll do some videos on where we're at today. This little plug of concrete is only the beginning. Wait till you see what's coming up. you.